Good morning, welcome back to the BC Media location vlog. So today we've got something completely different from last week. We've been given a studio by the Glass Factory studio down Progress Road. Just got here. As you can see, can't really see much, but yeah. So yeah, we're going to be doing something completely different to last time. We're going to be getting a bit musical today. Don't worry, me and James aren't going to be singing for you. We've actually got some decent talent this time. But yeah, let's get in there. Let's show you what's going on and let the day unfold. So you might be wondering why I've got the Ronin sat on its stand on a table. Well, it's for that exact reason there. I wanted to be able to give the effect of being static on a tripod, but I also wanted to be able to switch it up and move about. So once Zeus, our performer, stood up there, I was able to quickly go from a static position to a mobile tracking shot. This added depth to the video by using camera movement to represent a change in pace in the song. We made use of the available props the Glass Factory had to offer. One good thing about all of them is they're all on wheels. This makes our lives so much easier. They have these fantastic cinema style seats, so we made use of those. We arranged the set, made it look just like a cinema. In the process, I ripped a hole in my sock. You don't want your grubby shoes all over the nice bright white cove. Leaves marks, ruins the effect. So yeah, you don't want that. So we spent some time positioning the lighting to create the colour we wanted for the shot. In an ideal setting, I would have blacked out the entire studio and used a projector to replicate that cinema feel with the flickering light, that sort of thing. But this was an extremely last minute arrangement, and we were basically tasked with working with what we had there and creating the best thing possible, which I'm pretty sure we did here. I'm happy with what we got, and as you can see, James looks chuffed. So we just wrapped the second scene. I think we're going to do some stuff on the stairs next. Up here, use this little area. Nice bit of natural light coming through. See how it goes.
Bars, but you're writing wrong. Said you're sending, you've been writing long. Don't talk air saying fighting's long. After saying I won't be with the Mackies on. I'm in front of the decks with my Nikes on. Armani jeans with a Mac lead long. Talking all of that shit online, you best stay on the page you've been typing on.
Yeah, so we just wrapped shooting Zeus. We've got Alana coming in to do a bit of a performance for us. Not sure what we're going to do yet, but we're going to use this area. Yeah, see what we can do. So with Alana, I wanted to create quite a minimalist look, just her and her guitar. The infinity cove they've got at the Glass Factory is perfect for this. Obviously it singles her out, she's there, she's in the frame, alone in what looks like an infinity of whiteness, which is basically exactly what we were going for. James brought our smoke machine along. This was great because it added a little bit of haze to the shots, and that meant it gave it a little bit more depth to them. In the infinity cove, you can't really tell distance because it is infinity, so adding that depth in there with the haze gave a little bit more to the shots. Once again, we were really happy with the finished shots. Alana has such a powerful voice, it works so well with the minimalist look we went for. We're going to be dropping the edits really soon, so keep an eye out, you'll be able to hear the songs and see the work that we've created. So we've just wrapped up our shoot at the Glass Factory studio. As you can see, it's an amazing space. There's so much room here. I think it's got the biggest photography cove in all of Essex, if not further. But yeah, it's like a London studio in Essex. It's quality. If you've got the chance to come here, it's so versatile. You can use the space for whatever you want. I know the guy that runs it, Graham, he's got a horse coming in next, so random, but that's what the next shoot's going to be. But yeah, if you want a studio that you can use, book it out, get in contact. See you later.